This video is just a short preview of this van, Chevy Express cargo vans. Usually, the paint, you can see the paint peels like this, and it's very common in these vans. I don't know why, but this is just a short preview to show you what happens when it start peeling. Start peeling like that, start going slowly down like that, and before you know it, the paint will be um, peeling down all the way. You can see this one. It's going this way, this way. It's just a preview. Check out the next video after this, and I'll show you how to fix that and what to use to fix that. That's the next video coming after this. How we deal with that. How we deal with that paint peeling like that. Check out the next video after this. All right.